Guys, so we're back in at Sleaford East Level Crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. Right, time is 8:35 on Tuesday the 5th of April 2016. This is for our 08:34 team number 53, Simmons train service Nottingham to Peterborough. Nearly a year into the upgrade and they still haven't changed those two pink alarms. They still work alright, but I don't know why I changed these two. That one over there as well. Right, we've got 153 311. It's leaving its friend behind. The rear coach of the train will detach and terminate at Sleaford by the looks of it. 153 311 to Peterborough via Spalding, and up it goes. Subscribe to the next video.